Hello everyone. Hi Gemini. This is the reading for you. This is December mid-month reading and general may or may not resonate to everyone. Take what resonate and leave the rest, guys. So Ace sign Gemini, let's see your messages. I think one person in this connection is sneaky, maybe playing some mind games, and maybe cheated on you, lied to you. Definitely, there is some sneaky energy. I think it could be your person, Gemini. And Three of Cups, definitely they want reconciliation, recent past. They want reconciliation with you, but you are taking your time because Temperance is here. I think there is no balance in this connection, but you are taking your time now. And a Six of Wands, definitely I think you are getting success in every area of your life. Right now you are very attractive, very powerful, and yeah, you stand by your power. I'm getting here, Gemini. But your person is sneaky. They ask for reconciliation, but you are taking your time, patience, and balance. For some, your person waiting for reconciliation with you. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. And Page of Swords with King of Cups. What is going right now is, even though you have emotions for you, you are holding back because Temperance is here. But your person spying on you on social media. Okay, Page of Swords, you are taking your time because due to some part hurts, or due to some your person, due to some trust issues also, because you already trust your person once, and they cheated on you, maybe they lied to you. For some it could be third party also. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Now you want to take decision very carefully, and you want your time, you want your space before taking any decision. You have to think twice. Okay, that is what you are doing right now because Temperance is here. And Page of Swords, definitely some spying is going between both of you guys. One person is spying on the other person on social media. And King of Cups, I think your person has strong emotions for you, that's why they want reconciliation, but you are thinking about that. And but you are stuck also. You are thinking about but not taking any decision because right now you are stuck. I think for some you are choosing to move on from your person because Six of Swords moving towards calm water, and you are thinking day and night about this decision, what to do, what you have to make, which decision you have to make. Because Two of Wands with globe, hand in hands globe, definitely you are thinking about this a lot. Yeah, because you have trust issues. In past your person did something to you, but you don't want to trust them again. For some definitely those issues will be resolved. For some, very few there will be a chance for reconciliation. But most of you, I think you are choosing to move on from your person because Six of Swords, definitely there is some emotional distance, physical distance between both of you guys. Yeah, you also have strong emotions for your person, but you don't want to give another chance to your person because Seven of Swords, some sneaky energy. Maybe they playing with you, they're playing some mind games with you in past. That's why you hurted. For some, your person really changing for you and they're coming back with solid offer, King of Cups, but you are taking your time. Yeah, you are taking your time for some. So let's see your person current feelings and their near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. And the signs here, your person could be a lot of air energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings towards you. Then we will see their actions, Gemini. Okay, Ace of Wands, Six of Wands, lot of fire energy, Ten of Cups. Wow, yeah, they are very passionate about you. There is a lot of passion between both of you guys. And Ace of Wands with Six of Wands, definitely they want success in this connection. They want you, they want to win you back in their life again. 10 of cups, definitely they want to offer this 10 of cups happiness to you, Gemini. Yeah, I think this time for some your person is really changing for you. For some, depending upon your situation, if you already know that your person is putting you in third party, it's up to you. Okay, if you know it is really third party, there is no point to give another chance to your person. Okay, end of the day, it's up to you what to do, what not to do. So Gemini, definitely for some your person really want to offer this 10 of cups. Okay, 6 of wands, and they are very attracted to you. There is a lot of passion and they want success. What I'm seeing here, they want you win you back. Yeah, they want win you back again in their life. And your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Let's see the near future actions towards you. Seven of Cups, King of Cups, lot of water energy, Seven of Pentacles. I think for some you already know that your person already seeing other options. For some, that's why there is some separation, no contact, some issues happen between both of you. Yeah, for some you don't want to trust your person. That's because your person seeing options, they're still open their options. Yeah, for some, definitely your person really fantasizing about you a lot. And the King of Cups, they have strong emotions and they want to invest on this connection. Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, now they want to invest on this connection. If you give them permission, definitely they want to invest in this connection, and they want to offer this 10 of Cups to you. Yeah, they have strong emotions. King of Cups, lot of emotions. For some your person may be in some confusion also. They have mixed emotions because they are afraid to lose you because what they did to you in past. That's why they are in so much confusion. Okay, so let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Tower, King of Swords, Five of Pentacles, two cards here, Eight of Cups and Ace of Wands. So I want to take two cards because those cards are very resonated to this reading. Yeah, I think you walked away from your person, Gemini, because due to trust issues. I think in the near future also there is no reconciliation for some, because I'm not seeing any reconciliation. Yeah, there is passion, still there is passion if you are in separation also. King of Swords, I think you are very straightforward and honest person in this connection. Very few there will be new beginnings, but I am not seeing any new beginnings, most of you guys. So take what resonate and leave the rest, because Eight of Pentacles, Tower, and Five of Pentacles. Still there is separation. Still you want to walk away from your person due to trust issues. I think you have no trust on your person. For some, definitely you want to walk away. Already you walked away. Definitely in near future also, these connection cards, I am not seeing so much happening in this connection, but some communication. King of Swords, at least some communication is going to be happen between both of you, but some communication for sure, but not for reconciliation for all, what I'm getting here. But you both have still passion and attraction. Okay, so let's see your overall energy for the overall energies for the week. Five of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, Six of Cups, and Death. Yes, you are undergoing some spiritual awakening, or your person could be Scorpio also. Reconciliation, definitely your person want reconciliation with you. You also feeling strong soulmate connection with your person. Knight of Pentacles, but you are very slow and steady this time. Yeah, Gemini. Yeah, you are also feeling sad for the separation which had happened between both of you guys, or your person also feeling very sad. You are slow and steady this time. And let's see your person overall energy. Three of Wands, Eight of Swords, yeah, they are changing. This is Seven of Swords. For some, your person is really changing for you because Seven of Swords here come reverse. I don't read reverse cards actually, but here it came out in reverse. Eight of Pentacles and Five of Pentacles. Yeah, they are suffering in silence. Gemini, your person really changing for you. For some, definitely there is real change in your person behavior. So see, if your person is really changed, then give another chance. If you are not seeing any change in your person behaviors, then don't give. So it's up to you totally. Definitely this time they really want to work on this relationship. Yeah, they want to express their true feelings also. For some, Three of Wands. Yeah, still you don't give another chance to your person now. They are waiting for you. Yeah, they're waiting for you because Three of Wands is waiting game, and this could be long distance relationship also. Definitely your person is waiting for you until you give second chance to them, Gemini. What I am seeing here. Yeah, definitely they are really changing for you. It's up to you. Okay, this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.